Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin anong mga paunang mensahe ninyo Libra. This is for the next 3 months, April, May, and June po na energies. So, paunang mensahe ninyo, we have the 7 of Swords. Mag-iingat kayo ha. Kasi ito po ay warning para sa inyo na be careful with the people around you. Dealings with the people around you because this is the energy of cheater, liar, and stealer. Okay? So, there could be lies all around you around this time. Libra, maaari din na maraming mambubudol dyan, manloloko dyan, no? Maraming manipulative na mga tao dyan or nagmamatsyag sa inyo. That is possible. So, protect yourself, protect your valuables, protect your energy. Okay? So, what else? We have the Queen of Wands in reverse. Ayan. So, feeling siguro ng iba sa inyo dito na overwhelm kayo. Maaaring you are being driven by a manipulative person sa ngayon. Kaya parang nawawalan kayo ngayon ng lakas na loob para gawin ang gusto ninyo. No? Kasi parang merong nagpupush sa inyo ngayon na ito yung gawin mo, ito ang dapat mong pagkaabalahan, ito yung pagfokusan ninyo, no? And maybe na-overwhelm kayo dyan kasi, di ba, meron din kayong sariling gusto, pero maaaring you're surrounded with manipulative person or manipulative people, no? Kaya tuloy parang nawawala na kayo ng gana, parang nawawala na kayo ng tiwala sa sarili ninyo kasi hindi kayo nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na yung gusto ninyo yung masunod or yung choice ninyo yung piliin ninyo talaga, hindi ba? So, what else? We have the full energy. Ayan. So, this is really beautiful because you are going to take risk dito. So, maybe kakawala kayo dito, no? Maaaring maglalakas ng loob kayo dito and you're going to step away from Queen of Wands in reverse energy. Maaaring maglalakas kayo dito ng loob, makikipagsapalaran kayo na kontrahen, no? Kung sino man na manipulative person na to na maaaring siya na yung parang gustong masunod sa lahat ng bagay, Maaaring kayo dyan, you're going to break away from that energy ngayon at magsisimula kayo ng bagong buhay. Maybe you're going somewhere na talagang magiging malaya kayo. Alam mo yun, yung iiwanan mo kung sino man ang taong ito and you're going to start a new life. You're going to move to a different place. You're going to travel siguro dito, no? And you're going to start your own life, no? Somewhere else. So, maybe ganun ang ganap dito for some of you, Libra. Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. Pagdating naman sa inyong money, career, and finances. Maybe sobra kayong innocent pa about whatever it is, no, na parte ng buhay ninyo. Kaya tinatry kayong i-manipulate ng taong ito. So maybe ganun ang ganap. Maaaring wala kayong masyadong alam about that area of life siguro. Kaya yun, pinapatakbo-takbo, pinapaikot-ikot kayo dyan. So, we have manifesting. Wow, you have all the tools you need to increase your income, no? Matalino kayo, magaling kayo, may expertise kayo, no? And you have all the tools, no? Para magtagumpay kayo pagdating sa money, career, and finances. Kaya napakaganda ng energy na to because you are going to welcome or attract good fortune pagdating sa inyong money, career, and finances. There are going to be a lot of opportunities na maaaring kumatok sa buhay ninyo at this time that is going to showcase your talent, your skills, and your gifts. So, napakaganda. Madaming opportunities dito for you, Libra. We have setbacks. Ayan. Taking one step forward to make 2 step backs. Okay? Yung step back na to, no? Dito sa Queen of Wands energy. You know what? Dahil maglalakas ng loob na kayo na i-reclaim yung inyong freedom, kumbaga, i-reclaim yung inyong independence dito. It feels like to me that you're going to to break away from that kasi meron kayong good fortune energy na parating, no? Kaya maaaring matabunan ng lahat ng darkness sa buhay ninyo at matatabunan yan ng good fortune energy kaya magiging positibo na ang mga susunod na mga pangyayari sa buhay ninyo and even these setbacks that's going to fade away, no? Making slow progress but you're getting there. Ayan, so slowly but surely, ang galawan dito, hindi ka magmamadali, hindi ka magra-rush dito. So remember, slow and steady work leads to success that is sustainable. Kaya this is really a very effective strategy na gagawin ng iba sa inyo dito, Libra. Hindi kayo magra-rush, hindi kayo magmamadali. You're going to plan things ahead, no? Bago kayo mag-step sa kung ano man ang gusto ninyong simulan dito or kung ano man ang endeavor na gusto ninyong simulan. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa inyong love life, tignan natin. Fair male. Ayan. So, maybe you're going to meet this fair male around this time if you are single and if you are looking for love. So, maaring si fair male ang makikilala ninyo sa ngayon, no? At maaring yung pagkakakilala ninyo with this person also is going to develop into a romantic relationship. Maaring si fair male ay manliligaw sa inyo, di ba? Maaring this is a foreigner, no? Libra, so maaring ganun din ang sitwasyon dyan. What else? We have long distance. So, foreign themes, distance. Maybe talaga si fair male ay foreigner at maaring ma-meet ninyo yan online, maaring ganon, at maaring mag-develop talaga yan na pagkakakilala ninyo with this fair male into a, love and romantic relationship. Posible din, Libra, na si fair male, this is the person that you are dealing with right now kasi maaaring nanliligaw na to sa'yo, maaring jowa nyo na to, asawa nyo na, boyfriend nyo na, maaring ganon. And kayo, geographically apart kayo. So, maaring nandito ka sa Pilipinas at si fair male ay nasa abroad, kung taga saan man siya, or maaring siya ang nandito, no? At ikaw naman ang nasa abroad. So, it could be that situation as well. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon, Triangle. Ayan. So, maybe ang iba sa inyo dito ay merong third wheel. Maaring merong nagpo-flirt dito sa inyong person or maybe kayo ang merong nagpo-flirt sa inyo. Posible din yan, So, maybe posible din dito na meron kayong dalawang mandiligaw, masugid na mandiligaw, maaaring ganon, no? Or maaaring dalawang girlfriends or dalawang boyfriend, posible din ganon ang ganap dito for some of you. So, Libra, you know what is right, you know what is wrong. Okay? So, it's all up to you kung paano ninyo i-handle ang mga sitwasyon ninyo sa buhay. This is just guidance. So, it's all up to you. We have all given free will, no? We are all given free will by the divine. Kaya, it's all up to you. Okay? So, that's all I have for you for the next 3 months. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.